What are we doing?
Signing the papers.
Buying a house!
Feels like fate to visualize the things that I would do with you. I know things change, but I compromise my feelings for that night.
Empty house tour. So this is the entryway. When you walk in, there's a closet. Walk through. This is the first bedroom, and then this is where the living room would be. Well, is going to be. And then it goes into the big open kitchen. And like I said in the first video announcing that we bought a house, we are going to paint the walls white. And we're probably also gonna paint the kitchen cabinets. And here is a sunroom, which I just absolutely love. I love all the windows. It's a big old room. We'll probably put a couch and a TV, maybe a table out here. Love it. So here's the overview of the kitchen and living space. That's the front door. And then the sunroom, which I'm obsessed with. So then the first bedroom, this is the hallway. But this is the first bedroom, which is like my favorite bedroom. It's gonna be our guest room, but it has this gorgeous bay window I'm like, what, obsessed with. So here is that first bedroom. And then there's a Jack and Jill closet between the two rooms into the next room. Also really nice, has really cool ceilings, and yeah, again, we're gonna paint. And then it goes out into the hallway again. And then here is the guest bathroom. And it has a kind of a low sink. I don't know if we'll change it, that would be good for kids in the future, but a little guest bath or bathroom. This is the master bedroom, which we will be painting the wall white and just all the walls white, but here's the master, and then it goes into the bathroom and closet, and then the big old closet. And there's a door right here, which we'll probably put a curtain over, but this leads out into the sunroom. So yeah, I did that really quickly, but we are so excited. Woo! This is so fun. We're gonna start just like cleaning and figuring out what we're gonna do, so I'll film that. But there's the empty house tour. I'm so excited for this journey of us just like painting and the whole process of moving in and all of that. I just got my key, boop. So yeah, I just turned all the lights on, but I'll probably go around and turn them back off. But yes, here's our empty house. We're homeowners. Oh, and then this is the garage. Hello.
Hi.
Garage. We got some goodies for, you know, the yard. We're homeowners.
I'm pretty excited.
We're homeowners. The laundry room. Forgot about. Where's the light? It's over here. The laundry room. It's got a counter. Yeah. There's just so much to be done. I love this whole like very, very open living space. Like right when you walk in, it just opens up so much. Like, first of all, this is actually very open hallway. And then it just opens. The whole room is so big. And I love it. Oh my gosh. And I love the amount of windows in here. This like window. Oh, I love.
Damn, I feel like you're the one for me. I am feeding off your energy. Who cares? Oh, I'm so overly into you. I know that you know. Every bar is closed. We're taking off our clothes. It's true.
I think I got it to work. Okay, so I vacuumed this like whole area and it died. So it's charging, but I'm starting to mop. Riley's out there pressure washing. I'm mopping. All the fun cleaning vibes. Currently cleaning out the refrigerator. I've done the top one and then this guy, and these are the two other shelves, and then yeah, I just gotta clean all of it. Been using this and Scrub Daddy and then a microfiber, and it's been working really well. Also, I mopped the entire kitchen and living room area.
Every bar is closed. We're taking off our clothes. It's true.
so cute. I'll show you guys tomorrow in the daylight. It's kind of dark and or getting dark, but super cute. We're also gonna paint our door black. House is gonna be white. Also, doorbell goes there. We have to get one, but this is so freaking cute. Yeah, okay. Love it. Okay, let's... Oh my goodness, today has been so busy. We are so tired. We woke up so early this morning. Well, Bradley always wakes up early, but I woke up at like 7 this morning. We closed on the house, and then we have been here all day. I've been cleaning. Bradley's been working so hard, pressure washing the driveway and the other pavers around the house and just doing the outside work, and I've been inside. I mopped. My parents came by, his parents came by. I've been trying to really clean the refrigerator out and just clean everything. So yeah, I think tomorrow we're gonna start painting, so I'll vlog it then as well, but we're about to finish up. I just kind of organized my mess. So today's been so busy. It's been so fun starting in on our house, our first day owning a house, which is so crazy. We are just so happy and we feel so grateful. And yeah, my arm's getting tired from hauling it up. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm so excited. We might start painting, which is really exciting, which I cannot wait to paint. It's gonna change everything. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, I am getting ready right now. It's day 2, going to the house. I think we might start painting today. I'm not entirely sure, but I just put a little bit of makeup on and I still have to get dressed and like brush through my hair, but I'm about to take my Care of vitamins, which really quickly I want to thank Care of for partnering with me on today's video. I love Care of vitamins. I've been using them for a while now and they are just great, so let's talk about them. Care of is a subscription service that ships high quality, personalized vitamins, supplements, and powders conveniently to your door every month in this adorable packaging. It comes in this box where you can just slip out your vitamin pack each day super conveniently. It comes just like that. Open it up, take them. To get your customized Care of vitamins, take a short quiz about your health goals, lifestyle, and you get personally tailored recommendations based on your answers. In my pack this month, I have probiotic blend, vegan collagen, vitamin C, fish oil, multivitamin, and iron, and ashwagandha. I think I'm saying that right. That is what I have in this box, these packets, which are great. I wanted to get something for stress and focus. That is what the ashwagandha is used for. And with everything with the house, I just wanted to get something to de-stress because it was very stressful in the beginning, and something to help me focus, all of that. So I based my selects. I took a new quiz to get new recommendations. So yeah, Care of's products are made from good for you, clean ingredients that are backed up by the research, so you can feel good about what you're putting in your body. So I'm gonna take these really quickly. Oh, one more. We got one more. Boop. I'm gonna take these guys. I gotta grab my water. Okay, if you guys want to check out Care of, it's super easy. Just go to takecareof.com, take your quiz, and you guys can get 50% off of your first Care of order. Just go to takecareof.com and enter code MESSLER50. Again, that's 50% off of your first Care of order. Definitely check it out. Get your vitamins and get your health goals on track. Again, that's takecareof.com and use code MESSLER50 for 50% off. Again, MESSLER50 for 50% off of your first order. I'm ready to go. I gotta get dressed and we are headed to the house. I've been painting this room. It's gonna look so good. It already looks so much better. I wasn't filming on my camera yesterday, or not yesterday, yesterday was Easter, but the day before that. But I'm about to roll each of these. You can kind of see here the, if it'll show without the light mixing it up, the before color and the after color. So yeah, because my dad took down all of the old door trim and we are doing a new door trim, which is just more sleek and nicer. So yeah.
heart didn't really go into much when it came to opening my heart, until you found a way to knock down every wall I kept all around. Oh, you came, you saw, you conquered, being loved by you's an honor. And if I ever lose you now, I'd be losing myself too. I won't ever put you down, all my heart hopes you never do. And if the world